Welcome back. I'm Deep Alex. I hope you watched my previous video on connectors. Today, we're going to see some of the complex connectors that can be used in OET writing, especially when you need to indicate a contrasting information. Here are some examples. However, today the IUD removal was attempted. However, it was unable to locate the strings. Though her hearing and speech are within normal limits, she does have blurred vision. Although he was advised to use a wheelchair for support, he failed to do so. Even though she was advised to stop metformin, she continued with the medication. Despite physiotherapy, he has difficulty walking. Subsequently, the baby was managed with oxygen therapy and radiant warmer therapy. Otherwise, he has been advised to control his blood sugar levels. Otherwise, his scheduled surgery needs to be postponed. Instead of oral medications, he was initiated on intravenous fluids. I hope the short video was informative. So remember to make the right choice of cohesive devices in your OET writing. Wait for more interesting videos ahead. Thank you.